Hello, welcome to DataWitzz. My name is Mustafa, and in this video, we will learn about CTE. First, understand what exactly CTE is. CTE is basically stands for Common Table Expression. We are using CTE to make our big queries more easier to read, and also there are few chances that the performance can be increased by using this CTE. So let us first understand how CTE works. So whenever we wanted to use this common table expressions, we will start with clause. Then I will define my this table name CTE, like CTE1. Then I will use a subquery to define this CTE. Then again you can use CTE2 with a comma. Always to remember that comma is important here and compulsory. Otherwise it wouldn't work. Then I define CTE2. Now as I define my CTEs, I will use my main query, that is the select, and then I will use column names from CTE1 and CTE2, and then after I join CTE1 and CTE2. So it gives basically the values from both the tables, and my query is very clean. You can read this query that is a CTE1, and whenever you wanted to know what exactly CTE1 is, we can go here and check that is the CTE1. In practical aspects, we multiple times use the single table like this table 1 for 3 or 4 times with different conditions. If I will use here with joins 1 and 2 the same table with different conditions, it will may the readability will be very difficult and it will be very confusing to understand. So I will use here as a CT1 CT2 with the same table with different conditions. So now I understand the real like practical example here. I used I have different tables, and I used with and I put name city count, that is the country's name, then city department, that is the department name, then employees location, and I put the names accordingly with the table names. And the last I wanted to use the name of the employee from the city employee table, and city job table will be joined, and I wanted to see the values of the salary, the minimum and maximum salary of job IDs. So let us first see that what exactly city employee is. So I have defined it here, city employee. So the city employee has first name, last name, and job ID, salary, and different things. And the city job here has job ID, job title, minimum salary, and maximum salary. So I have used my query. Always remember that whenever you are using main query in the city, you wouldn't use the comma. Apart from that, one city to another city, always use comma. So now I use the 4 column name that I wanted to see here, and the name of the city, then join, then city name, and then on expression, and in the last I will run this. So it gives me values, first name, last names, minimum salary, maximum salary. Always remember you need to start with and till the last part you need to run in your query. So that is how city works. City can be refer another city. A city can refer itself. That is also very important. And city looks very easier uh, to use when it is a very big query. So that is all about city. I hope this video will help you to understand city properly. Don't forget to share this video, and also if you don't subscribe my channel, kindly do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.